Hello and welcome to our next stitch tutorial for our hashtag heirloom Afghan CAL crochet along. Today we're going to be working on the stitch for the block number 6 in our series of 63 individual sampler blocks to create a beautiful heirloom Afghan. Our stitch today is called the Trinity stitch. It is a simple stitch, it's fun, it works up fast, and it really is beautiful. So let's get started. I've already started my row of Trinity stitches here, and you might not be able to see the detail in them yet, but as we work the stitch, you'll get to see what a beautiful and fun stitch this is. So with our yarn already on our hook, we completed our last stitch right here. We're going to go back into this stitch, going through both the front and back loop, and grab our yarn and pull it up. And we're not going to do anything with it. Instead, what we're going to do is going to go to the very next stitch and put our hook in, going through both the front and back loop, grab our yarn and pull it through. And we're going to do that yet again. We're going to go to the very next stitch after that and put our hook through the back and front loops both, grab our yarn and pull it through. So we've gone through 3 stitches, hence the word Trinity stitch. We're going to have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and go through all 4 loops on our hook. And they're going to have this lovely little diagonal lean to them. And we're going to just do 1 chain, just to secure it so it doesn't come undone and go anywhere. And look at this cute little angled little leaning stitch. It's so cute. So again, we're going to go into the last stitch that we worked on here. We're going to put our hook through, yarn over and grab our yarn and pull it through. We have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to put our hook into our next stitch, grab our yarn and pull it through. That's 2 stitches. And here's our 3rd stitch. We're going to put our hook in, grab our yarn and pull it through. So we have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, making that cute little diagonal, like little cluster almost. Yarn over, and we're just going to make a little chain there, and that kind of locks that stitch into place. So right here, we're going to put our hook in the stitch, grab our yarn and pull it through. That's 1. Going to the next stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, bring it back through. That's 2. And going into our 3rd stitch, put our hook in and grab that yarn and pull it through. That's 3 stitches that we've entered, and we've got 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. Then chain 1 to secure it. Let's work on our next one. Going right back into that last stitch that we worked in. Grab our yarn and pull it through. There's 1. The next stitch. Grab our yarn and pull it through. That's 2. Our next stitch. Grab our yarn and pull it through. That's 3. We've got 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1 to secure it. I'm going to do the next one and just let you watch. I won't say anything. And here we've got our last little bit of this row here. We're going to go into the same stitch, pull it through to the front, into the next stitch, pull our yarn through to the front, into our final stitch, pull our yarn into the front, yarn over, pull through all 4 stitches, chain 1 to secure it. 1, 2, 3, secure it. And there we have our Trinity stitch. As your rows grow, you'll be able to see this beautiful pattern as it develops. I'd like to encourage you to watch this video as many times as needed. You can pause it and rewind it and then go forward again as many times until you're comfortable completing the Trinity stitch. And I'd love to have you join us for our hashtag heirloom Afghan CAL crochet along. We have tutorials for all of the blocks. You can start at the beginning with block 1, and this is block 6. So make sure you check out all of the tutorials. They're available for right-handed crocheters and left-handed crocheters. And we'd love to have you join us as we work on one block a week. And we're going to end up with a beautiful heirloom Afghan. So practice your stitches, and we'll see you next time. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.